Hello class, this will be a demo on how to get this paper to become a 4-axis practice mandala. These are the materials you need: Sharpie, pencil, eraser, and this piece of paper. Step 1, fold the paper in half horizontally from bottom to top. Make the edges align as best you can before turning the bend into a crease. Unfold, fold in half once more from left to right now. The more accurately you fold the paper, the easier your time will be when it comes to the later steps. We're going to add a third fold now. Bring the top right corner and the top left corner together. Make the corners touch, and then turn that bend into a diagonal fold. We just need one diagonal fold here. Now you're ready to start drawing. You want to take your pencil, and we're only going to fill in one of these triangles. I'm going to choose the top left quadrant, bottom triangle. You can use C curves, straight line segments, S curves. You want to fill in this small space with the design of your choosing. Now that I've filled in the triangle there, this is a really critical step. The first transfer needs to happen over this diagonal. It's got to be the diagonal fold that's touching with the lines that you just drew. Fold your paper from the bottom left to the top right so that the back side of the lines you just drew are visible. Then you take your Sharpie in the overhand grip, apply hard pressure to the back side of the lines that you just drew. Unfold the paper and you should be able to see the transferred lines, which you can now darken in. At this point, you have one completed square, meaning the transferring work now is identical to the steps for the 2-axis mandala. You want to get this square touching the blank one here. Fold the paper from left to right. Do the transferring. Unfold and you should be able to see some lines you can darken in. Now that you have the line work on the one half of the paper, you can now fold it from top to bottom to transfer it onto the rest. Reminder for you, you do not have to use the same kind of lines or designs that I'm demoing here. This is more for the process. I want you to develop your own practice mandala with your own design, just using the same steps. There we go. Last step of darkening. I want to also remind you and encourage you to turn your paper as often as you need to gain just a little bit more control and improve your craftsmanship. You can see me turning the paper almost every line segment to change up the angle, make it easier on my fingers and wrist. Last little bit. And there we have it. This is a practice mandala that is symmetrical over all 4 axes, vertical, horizontal, and the 2 diagonals. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in class.